Accessing your HostGator cPanel is essential for managing your hosting account and website. Here's how to do it. Visit the HostGator website. Open your web browser and go to the HostGator homepage. Log into your account. Click on the login button located in the top right corner. Enter your HostGator username and password, then click Submit. Access the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your HostGator account dashboard. This area displays your hosting services and other account details. Navigate to cPanel. Look for a section labeled Hosting or Manage. Under this section, find your hosting plan and click on the Launch cPanel button. Alternative access method. You can also access cPanel directly by typing yourdomain.com/cPanel in your web browser. Enter your cPanel username and password. Explore cPanel features. Once inside cPanel, you will find various tools for managing your website, databases, email accounts, and more. Familiarize yourself with the interface to utilize its features effectively.